Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right now here on the right upper corner, tap on this icon and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the voice and you'll see the voice match section. Go there. And here need to say Hey Google, you got the switcher, tap on the switcher to activate this function. Now just tap next, confirm with a tap to I agree, continue. And as can you see right now, our Hey Google option is activated. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.